How to fix Free Fire login error. First, if you're having any kinds of problem while logging into your Free Fire account, what you want to do is you want to check for your internet connection first. Swipe down on a control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. After that, you want to simply open your Free Fire application, and inside your Free Fire app you want to simply verify that you're using the correct account for your Free Fire account. Make sure that your Google or Facebook or Apple or VK account is correct. After that, you will be able to log in into your account. However, if you're still facing any kinds of problem, what you want to do is you want to simply clear the app cache and reinstall the game as well if that is needed. To clear your cache, you want to simply come back from the app completely. After that, you want to simply tap and hold on to your game, tap on app info over here, and you want to simply tap on storage and cache and clear your cache from here. And by doing so, you want to simply open the app again and you shouldn't be facing any kinds of login error. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.